immensely entertaining. You might cry. You will explode. Home Sacrifice, rated PG-13.
People don't have to think about where their electricity comes from. They flip the switch and the light comes on. It's our job to make sure that it does. Using natural gas, this power plant can produce enough energy for about 600,000 homes. Generating electricity that's cleaner and reliable with fewer emissions. It matters.